maliit na itong school na to.
Ha?
Parang parang ito lang.
Hindi ba may kabila pa?
Ha?
Pinasukan natin. Ayan na ba yun?
Bata.
Ay, oo nga. Kasi nakitanaw to, no? Kanina. Wala tayong picture.
Saan? Saan yung cellphone?
Here. Hindi mo man lang ginasnasa dito.
Ha? Nasa gilid.
Because, picturean mo nga daw. Are we gonna share this? Hindi ata kasi you share it with your partner daw. Ah, ito ang gagawin siguro. Please take a moment to share with your partner. The meaning of your birth art.
Oh.
What's your time?
Wait, what is
creating?
this?
This is our love. And kasi di ba ang question, what do you feel about your pregnancy? I feel completed as a woman and as a wife, and parang I look forward to Doy, anong
Hindi, may kadugtong lang.
I look forward to more experience with you in this life. Madami pa tayong maharapin or aanin na magkasama. So, dapat
Ano to?
tayo. The road, not big.
Ako sobrang simple. Start of a new journey. Birth of a baby. Birth of a nanay. And birth of a
Wow, birth.
Kasi birth class day. Get out my birth. And then, a next chapter of our promise. A husband and wife. Wala siya sa center. Kasi diba sabi niya.
Ano ba't sabi ko yun?
I mean, it's a promise. We both agree that the love should be. I mean, it's for you to supply more love to our child. But of course, there's a love and support from my end. But as promised during our wedding, and my promise forever was to love you and to take care of you, so you can take care and love our child.
And you? Ito gano'n may arrow. It will goes around. Ganon.
Kasi when the man truly loves and supports her wife,
The family.
and then the wife will support and love his child, her child, rather. Yun yung promise, diba? Yung promise to love you. To love you most. Above anyone.
Wow.
That's it. And a dream come true, of course.
To become a parent, a dad.
That's it.
That's it. Pansit. What's the next one?
Yan lang na.
Feedback on the video. Reaction video. Alam mo,
Baka
all
may
this
i-rate.
time, mali yung ginagawa kong breathing.
Kasi,
Hindi umaangat yung belly ko. Dito. Pero tinan mo, pag nag-inhale ako, sobrang short. Di ba, count of 4? Count mo.
dahan-dahan kasi. Just that.
Pag Buti, 1-2 lang.
Paano ba? Sumisingot ka, hindi ka naman.
No.
Wag mong singot eh. Papasukin mo sa...
Sa ilong.
Ah, sige. Dahan-dahan kasi. 4 lang naman, di ba? Sige. Game. One.
Ano ba?
Kasi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Parang mas mahirap mag-inhale ng bibilang.
Dahan-dahan kasi.
Parang nag-i-enlarge na yung lungs mo.
Dahan. Ayun yung feng shui. Feng shui. Sinotos din.
Yung camera mo.